house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
We have a LG stacker. The PIN-Q, the computer, all the computer stuff. You have to use your phone to use it.
Oh goodness!
My wife has heard that there's going to be a ventless where you don't have to have a ventless or a vent for your clothes dryer. How could that be?
Well, they already have them. They already have them. They're a condensation dryer, and they kind of work like a dehumidifier. There's a trap that traps the water, and then you empty the water, or it has a pump inside that pumps down the washing machine drain. They take a lot longer to dry, and we're finding that the lint is actually clogging the dehumidifier. I mean, you really have to be vigilant on keeping that thing clean, or they will clog up real fast. And they're very expensive.
They are. Our first experience with them was actually traveling Europe.
Yes,
when we would stay at the VRBO, the bed and breakfasts and whatnot. Generally, the laundry was one piece of equipment. It was the washer and the dryer, and it was ventless.
Yeah, GE has one now, and I think Samsung and LG also have them now.
But it did take
it takes a minute.
It's a 3.5 hour ordeal.
It's a deal.
But that beats going to the laundromat.
Well, it does, but they're very expensive and very expensive to buy, very expensive to repair. Just remember that.
And how about expensive to run if it's taken so long to?
Well, it doesn't use a lot of energy.
Oh no.
I mean, a regular electric dryer uses a lot of energy. It's one of the big energy suckers in your house.
One of our pieces of property is a second-story apartment. The floor is concrete, the roof is concrete, the outside walls are masonry. We put one of those in for a tenant, and they're very happy with it. But they say, you just got to start it at night when you're going to bed, and it'll be ready.
Have plenty of time.
Yeah.
Be patient.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.